Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. I'm AKJ Fit. I hope everyone is good. Well guys, let's go straight to point. As you guys can see in front of me, I'm having my new bike, though you can see the bike like fully. You can see only the top, because I want you guys to see me. This is my R6, the Yamaha R6. I've been having this bike for a few months, and honestly speaking, like, I love riding it. Unfortunately, since I bought it, I've been riding it on the mountain area for like, I bought it purposely to use it over there. It's fast. It looks perfect. Like, it delivers the power whenever you want it, all the time. But I've been having a kind of issue. I think, like, I've been searching on the forum, and not many people, but some people do have this kind of problem. They do have this kind of fault, and not just on, like, going up hills, but on the track as well. I use it on the mountain area, and I've been facing this kind of issue when I'm going uphill. When I'm coming down, I've never experienced any problem like this kind of issue. So without wasting your time, I'm going to show you, like, the kind of issue I face frequently when I'm going. Like, sometimes it doesn't happen. I don't know why, but many times it does happen, especially when I have the throttle wide open. I'll face this kind of issue. I want to show you guys, then I start to talk about it, like, much more into detail. So let's give it a watch, then I'll go deep, like, explain to you guys what is my experiences. Like, maybe you some of you have been facing this kind of issue. Let's watch the clip, and then I'll bring you guys back up. Well, I think you guys have seen what kind of problem I've been facing. It's a kind of a particular issue. When I'm going, like, as you guys saw in the video, I'll be going uphill. I'll be coming from a curve. When I like in the last in the video particularly, I wasn't like, I was having the throttle open very little. Like I wasn't like going super fast. I was like going very slow. I want to like make sure that this kind of issue doesn't pop up, but unfortunately it did pop out. You guys saw it in the clip. The kind of issue this bike have been like giving me all the summer. If you want to see that kind of fault error that it's showing, go to D61. As you guys can see, we only have one fault, one error fault code recorded, and it's showing over there 50. That you guys can see it like very well, so I don't have to like adjust the camera. It's a 50 over there. It's this is the number of the error code, the 40 error code I've been seeing for all this last year summer. Every time I had that kind of issue going uphill, that's over there. So I'm going to like walk you guys through what how I was able to discover this kind of issue. I'm going to show you like going straight to, because I've already done diagnostic, so I'm going to like walk you guys very straight to the issue to show you why the bike is having this kind of issue and how I'm going to deal with it. Let's go ahead. Let's switch everything off. Well guys, I'm going to lift the tank up. I'm going to undo this bolt over here. I'm going to remove this panel over here and the other one on the other side. I'm going to undo this bolt over here. There's still one, this one, and there is another one on the other side. Now I'm going to lift the tank up. We are going to use this to lock it temporarily. Well guys, we're here. This is the we are under the tank, the fuel tank. And over here there is the hose that's connected to the pump, the fuel pump over here. So now I'm going to remove the hose. I'm going to put a rag under it to collect the fuel. A little bit of gas will fall out from the tank, so I'm going to use a rag to collect it. You put it underneath like this. Yeah, now we can proceed to remove it. I'm going to move the hose. pull this thing back. Now I'm going to press and try to remove it. There. It's not coming easy. Oh, there. That we are able to remove it. I'm going to connect a fuel gauge between the fuel pump outlet and this hose. This one goes to the carburetor. Goes to where the carburetor is. I'm going to connect the gauge over here like this. Perfect. As you guys can see, everything is now like offset the gauge between the pump and the hose, so that we can read the pump. We can read how much pressure is coming from the pump to the bike. Well, guys, as you can see, I'm pointing the camera all the way on the gauge in order for you to see it yourself. Now I'm going to switch on the bike. When you switch on the bike, it just cycles itself. It has to hold pressure, then it has to drop a little bit. It's in megapascal. I couldn't find the one in PSI. Might be better, but like from here 0 to 0.4 might be over here we are at not like, let me guide you guys. This is 1 bar over here, 1 bar and a half, 2 bar and a half, 3 bar and a half, and 4. 0.4 is 4 bar. According to the manual, it has to be somewhere around 3.24 bar, like somewhere around here, just below 3.5 bar. Has to be below it. We are just over here at over 2 bar. Now it's dropping. Let's see how much it's going to drop. Now we are very closer to 1.5 bar. We are exactly at 1.5 bar. As you guys can see, we are at 1.5 bar, and it's going like it's dropping. It's still dropping. I expected it to stop after just like when it was closer to 1.5 bar. Still dropping. That's not a good sign. That one sign I noticed that the pump is faulty. Now it's like it's getting closer to 1 bar. That's not that's it's worse. Like it's not normal. It's dropping my weight a couple of seconds, and if it doesn't drop again, you might like see it's just above one bar. Let's say a 1.2 bar. Seems it's dropping, like it's getting closer to 1 bar. Let's have patience and see how much it's going to drop. If it gets to 1 bar, like when it reaches 1 bar, I'm going to stop it over there. But it's a clear sign that we have a bad fuel pump. But the clear example of the faulty fuel pump that I noticed is when I switch on the bike. That I will show you guys later on. We are at 1 bar. Normally it should drop, but it doesn't have to drop all the way to somewhere here. It doesn't have to drop all the way to here. That's a bad sign. I've done it again. A 2 bar, just above the 2 bar over there, where I'm pointing my finger, also over there. Has to be somewhere around 3 bar and hold. Doesn't hold pressure. That's not a good sign of a fuel pump. That's not a good sign of a good fuel pump. As I notice, I've not just like this is just the tip of the faulty fuel pump that I'm showing you. I'm going to start the engine, and when I start the engine, I'm going to show you guys what actually how the fuel pump is behaving. Like when the engine is running, I'm going to show you all this. Before that, let's remove. Before I start the engine up, let me remove the rack because it's like it can catch fire. The back of the engine is not worth it. You have to move it. I'm going to start the bike and see if the pump can reach to somewhere over there. Stopped, then it shut off. We are at 1.5. 2.5 bar. Very closer to 3 bar with a coaster. It's a bad sign. We are not 3 bar. 3 bar is over there. Here is 3 bar. It's below 3 bar, as you guys can see. Below. I'm going to let it run for a while. When it's idle, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to like accelerate a little bit, give it a little bit of gas, just to see what the gauge will read. I'll bring you guys back up later on. Well guys, as you can see, we are below specs. It's below, like now it's almost like 2.5 bar. So over here, under acceleration, instead of the gauge going up, it will come down a little bit. It will drop. Well guys, I think I was able to show you this kind of fault wasn't showing previously, but like I was able to catch it. It drops like way more, like I don't know, now it's doing something like that. I've caught it on camera where it drops way too much. Like this is very small. It has to do more than that. Well guys, I think you saw it. It was like it was dropping, and that acceleration, it goes down instead of going up. It dropped. The gauge goes down. That's clearly show that the fuel pump is faulty. So now without wasting much time, I'm going to remove the tank and remove the pump, the fuel pump, to change it, have a new one. Let's go ahead. Now I'm having the gauge drop all the way to 0. Means there is no pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the gauge, remove the tank to get it on my working table to remove the fuel pump. Let's go ahead. Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm having the fuel dropping a little bit from the hole. Let's remove these two. Use the ply. This breathing hose over here. No. Going to disconnect. I'm going to disconnect the power wire coming to the pump. I think I might go to the other side. Perfect. There's the how do you call it? The reserve lights, full reserve light. Now we have everything disconnected under the fuel tank. So now the tank is ready to come off. Perfect. Oh.